My name is Kashish Madan. Like, I have an experience of more than 10 years now. And before joining the course, I was working for an international gaming website. And after that, when I joined the course, it like after 7 months after finishing of the course, I started working for a media agency. And since then, I have been working with them as a national head for business, and I look after like the gaming and the mobile business basically. So, and apart from that, like I have been like a digital geek because of the industry that I work in. So, of course, this course was a boost for me so that I can add this in my education so that it gives me an extra boost for my career going ahead. So, a specialization was required at that time, and this is the reason why I joined the course. My wife, she owns her business. So basically, I started that course so that I can actually start working on our home brand in terms of run the ads for this particular her cake brand. This is the reason why actually I started the course, because I didn't want to outsource it to anyone. So, and I just wanted to learn it so that I can just run these ads from mine. I always had an idea how to learn it, but just because when I start or do anything, I just need to have a deep knowledge where I can actually put those skills when I actually run an ad. So this was the reason why actually I started the course. To be honest, like it was pretty smooth since the beginning. I inquired about the course. I had my doubts. Everyone has, because when being a being a student, you always have even small paper stupid questions, but they have answered it pretty well throughout. I was a bit skeptical when I joined the course, but of course when I started coming the classes on regular basis, so if I had any questions, so they would be solved right there and then, not even after the class. So that was something that really was like I was there the proactive step from their end, which actually helped us to enable our skills. I hope, and let's see what happens with the final result. But yeah, at that time it all went pretty well.